It's time. It's time. It's time. Today is June the 26th, 2024. You a wolf or you a sheep? You a wolf or you a sheep? You are a wolf or you are a sheep? Ow! Bah! One of the two. That is a quote from Denzel Washington's character from his Oscar award-winning performance as cop Alonzo Harris. And this brings me to the topic of an apex predator. An apex predator is an animal or a person that's at the top of the food chain. An animal or person that can never be prey, or it's very difficult for them to be prey. I consider a fox, which is one of my favorite animals, an apex predator because it's hard to hunt a fox. It's hard to kill a fox. A fox is very intelligent. In fact, the fox is one of the most intelligent, if not the intelligent animal on the planet. Normally, when someone refers to someone as being intelligent or smart, he or she was smart as a fox. But I digress. In the movie Training Day, Denzel Washington's character was a cop, and his partner, Jake Hoyt, played by Ethan Hawke, was a rookie cop. And if you didn't watch the movie, I think everybody should have watched Training Day by now. But if you didn't see Training Day, turn this video off and watch Training Day. If you got to rent it from Amazon, if you got to find it on Netflix, Tubi, whatever platform, movie platform that you got to find it on, you find it, or you need to just go buy it on DVD. It's worth having in your collection. I'm going to give a couple brief spoilers, but not direct spoilers. In the movie, Alonzo Harris, Denzel Washington character, was a wolf. And Ethan Hawke's character, my personal opinion, was a sheep. He didn't become the wolf to the end of the movie. Okay? And in the very beginning of the movie, Alonzo Harris, he sized up Jake Hoyt from the very beginning. And he knew that he could manipulate this rookie cop. Which leads to whether you're a wolf or you're a sheep. And I'm sure you heard the expression, there's wolves in sheep's clothing. There is no dancing in the middle. There is no half sheep, half wolf. Either you one or the other. Either you going to be prey or you're going to be an apex predator. One of the two. And this video is for male and female. This is not gender specific. When people size you up, they start small. One of the main things a person does to see if you soft is eye contact. This right here. This is the first and the most important thing to size a person up. If a person can't give you eye contact, they're sheep. This tells you everything about a person. This going to tell you whether they're a wolf, whether they got wolf eyes or whether they got sheep eyes. Another way to tell if a person is either a wolf or a sheep, if they allow you to get in their personal space, if they allow you to touch them. Now, I've been a victim of this. I had an incident where a guy, he liked my watch. He got my personal space trying to take my watch off my wrist. It was very sheepish of me to allow him to even get that close to me. But see, people disguise themselves. They'll joke with you, he, and ha ha. Before you know it, they in your personal space. Be very careful for the people that's he, and ha ha, that's joking with you. Because they are wolves in sheep's clothing. Okay? And the most important way to distinguish a wolf from a sheep is self-respect. If you respect yourself, you have a wolf mentality. If you don't respect yourself, you have a sheep mentality. So let me ask you a question. Do you want to be successful? Wolf or sheep? Do you want to be victorious? Wolf or sheep? Do you want people to respect you? Wolf or sheep? Do you want to reach greatness in life? Wolf or sheep? Do you want to have a legacy? Wolf or sheep? There is no dancing in the middle. Wolves take what they want. How you going to take it? You going to put the work in? You going to put the hours in? Or are you going to be a sheep? Be a part of somebody else's plans. Be a part of somebody else's greatness instead of having your own greatness, instead of having your own legacy. Have your own plans, have your own goals, have your own ambitions, or be a part of somebody else's. I was a sheep, always consuming other people's YouTube content. Now I'm making my own. Commenting on other people's comment sections. Put my wisdom in other people's comment sections instead of having my own channel. Now I got my own channel. We've been going strong since December 1st, 2022, and we're going to keep going strong. You a sheep or you a wolf? A wolf sets their own path. A sheep takes somebody else's path. A wolf beats, a wolf walks at the beat of its own drum. A sheep walks at the beat of somebody else's drum. A wolf can stand up for themselves. A sheep can't stand up for themselves. A wolf is not easily frightened. A sheep is easily frightened. A wolf is not intimidated. A sheep is intimidated. A wolf is a winner. A sheep is a loser. A wolf is strong, a sheep is weak. You make the decision today. You a wolf or you a sheep. There is no dancing in the middle. You decide, you decide, you decide. And always remember, every day get a little bit better. Every week get better. Every month get a lot better. And every year get a whole lot better. Because days become weeks, weeks become months, months become years, and years become decades. Because it's time, it's time, it's time. Either you're a "Awoo" or you're "bah, bah, bah." The choice is yours. Awoo!